Hi everyone, I'm standing at the back of our new Vista 29NP National Park Edition motorhome. This is a brand new edition that's just coming out in the 2023 model year. One of the key exclusive features we have on the exterior of this National Park Edition is what we affectionately call a Batwing awning. And that's this awning right here that you see above me. And what this awning is basically, it's a pivoting manual awning. It pivots 270 degrees from the rear of the motorhome around to the side of the motorhome, okay? And we'll demonstrate that for you momentarily. And what that gives the customer basically is when you combine that with your regular patio awning that you can see extended behind me, is you get a little over 300 square feet of canopy space on the exterior of your motorhome, on the exterior of this Vista 29NP National Park Edition motorhome. And we're gonna go ahead and demonstrate that for you right now. So now that the Batwing awning is fully deployed, you can see basically how that wraps around the back of the unit. It's supported by the rod over here at the corner. There is straps that can be tethered to the ground in case you're outside in windy conditions. Obviously inside the building here, not necessary. But again, when you combine this Batwing awning with your patio awning on the side, you have a little over 300 square feet of canopy space, which on a 29-foot motorhome is pretty unheard of basically. So a lot of canopy space to keep you out of the sun, keep you out of the elements, and keep you having fun outside.